Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make some abstract Christmas cards. It's a pretty fun process and easy enough to do with kids too. My name is Laura and I'm an artist. Grab some hot chocolate and then let's get started. You'll need paint. I'm using acrylics that I had on hand, some paint brushes, and at least one with a round pointy end. I used some gold paint for highlights, but that's optional. You'll also need some pretty thick paper, which I used some canvas paper that I had on hand for extra texture. And you'll want a place to mix your paints and water to wash your brushes when you're done. Last of all, you'll need something to cut with, glue, and cardstock to assemble your final Christmas cards. First, we'll paint together. This is an example of what we're going for, but every piece will look different. To start with, paint 3/4 of the paper with a light sky blue and kind of on an angle. Paint the last quarter a reddish brown. Then paint 2 randomly spaced tree trunks with dark brown, 3 if you'd like, and the point is just to get some structure and create a loose feel. Then add branches. Look outside at some real tree branches if you can, and then follow those shapes loosely. I'm looking at pine trees. Then add loose upward leaf patterns. Have fun with this, using different angles, sizes, and shades of green. Next, add pine cones under the branches. Try to make the point form so it kind of looks like a pine cone shape. Try different sizes and patterns. When that dries, add red, round shapes to make ornaments along the top of the branches, big or small, and in different patterns once again. Let that dry for a while. Then add highlights of white to the ornaments. And lastly, if you'd like, add some gold highlights to the pine cones. I think it really makes the final card pop. When everything is dry, cut your paintings into smaller pieces to a size that fits your cardstock, but leaves border. I used 4 by 5.5 cardstock and cut it to 3.75 by 5 to leave about 1/4 inch all around for the border. Pick out your favorite pieces and glue them to the cardstock. You could just frame the painting as decoration if you wanted to too. All I really want for Christmas is more subscribers, so hit the subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, so I know to create more. Lastly, write a nice message and send the cards to the people you care about. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season, and I'll see you next time.